Continuing with this file, the database video companion, I want to do a quick filtering. A lot of times people want to see only like one salesperson. I'm doing a report about Jessica, so I only want to see Jessica's records of what she sold pop up. So I can do a quick filter on this thing, and again, be on one cell. That's the key with all of these data commands. Be on one cell. It'll find the whole database. You don't have to select it, as long as you get this blank row at the top, blank column to the right, blank row down at the bottom. So here I'm going to go to the data command, and again there's filtering, sorting is also here in the data command as it on the home ribbon. I'm just going to do a quick filter, and when you do a filter, basically it finds the whole database again, and it puts these little drop down arrows here by the field names. So somebody wants to see a report about Jessica sold, so I hit the drop down arrow by salesperson, and then all of them are selected right now, so I'm going to take off the select all and just choose Jessica. Hit OK, and then boom, I only see Jessica's records. You see the row numbers here become blue because I'm only looking at her data. And maybe somebody wants to see, well, I want to see if all Jessica's where she sold a quantity higher than, like, say 10. You get these different kind of reports from people. So here I'm just going to hit the drop down arrow by quantity also. This time I'm going to do a number filter to make my life easier, and I'm going to do greater than or equal to, and then just type in 10, 10 on the keyboard. Hit OK. And there's my quick filter, right? Jessica, what she sold over 10. Filtering fairly straightforward. You can print this out. These little arrows here don't print out. You can see which fields have filters on them by the little funnel here. But I'm done. I printed it out. I'm just going to take off my filter. Another thing I can do is subtotals. Is a nice database command. I want subtotals to see the total, basically, sale price for each salesperson. What was the total each salesperson sold? Common kind of report. So first thing to do, these subtotal commands, I have to sort. This is the important part. This is the part people miss. I want to sort by the field I want subtotals for. I'm going to sort it by salesperson first. So I'm on the one cell here. I'm just going to do a quick A to Z. I have to get them all together. And now I can do a quick subtotals, right? I want to basically subtotals for each salesperson. I want a total of all their sale price. So instead of inserting a row here and summing it up, going to the end of Chrissy, inserting a row and summing it up, there's a quick subtotal command. So sort first, and then I can just, under the data tab, go to the subtotals here on the far right. And my little dialog box pops up, and it's set for each change in salesperson, because that's the first field here. And at each change when it changes from Allison to Chrissy, I want to sum up, the sale price, and it automatically has sale price checked off because it's the last field and it's a value field. And I want to keep these the same, and then just hit OK. And there's my Allison total. If I scroll down, I'll see the Chrissy total. There's also this outline feature on the far left. You want to take a look. 1, 2, and 3. It's a nice little feature because if I just want to print out the totals by salesperson, I hit the number 2, and boom, it hides everything else, and I just see the totals. And then I can just maybe hide these columns here, and I could just print out this particular part. And then I'm going to quickly remove my subtotals. Somebody else calls me up, I print this thing out. Somebody else calls me up, they want subtotals by product sold. What was the total quantity for each product? So I'm just going to go back to my subtotals. Make sure you're on this database someplace. Subtotals, remove all. I'm going to unhide my columns. And then I want to sort first by product, go back and do my subtotals again. At each change in product here, I want to sum up, not the sale price, but just the quantity. Right? So I sort it by product, then I do add each change in product under subtotals. I want to sum up whichever field you want. Here, quantity. Hit OK. Hit number 2 to check, and there are my subtotals. Fairly straightforward to do. Easy to mess up.